practice match in 3, 2, 1, go.
Our next to last match of the day on this field, and the last match for all of the teams playing right now. This is their last chance to improve their overall rankings, maybe push them up into a better slot to get that alliance selection. We do have some high-ranking teams here, Juniper Robotics in particular, up in the rankings. It is going to be important that they win this match to continue holding their position, but also when you see these robots running their autonomous, you can tell that these other teams are nothing to sneeze at. I mean, look at the Blue Alliance and how cones they just scored.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
And here we are moving along into our driver control period with these robots here getting ready, and we've got the Red Alliance immediately claiming those two top junctions for themselves alongside a cheeky little low junction from Silas. They are going for a diverse range of junctions early on. They are not waiting around to score on those upper junctions. They are trying to get all these other junctions scored very quickly, and that is important for them because it allows them to have more control in the end of the game and forces the Blue Alliance to play on those lower junctions as well. And of course, that's not going to stop them from going to the upper junctions. As I've been saying, it is super important that these teams do well because we do have a high-ranking team in Juniper Robotics. If Juniper loses this match, that could knock them out of a selection role. But if they win this match, it could secure them a selection role. And these other teams, they want to make sure that happens. They also want to put out their best foot forward because they could be getting picked up by some teams. There, of course, has been questions about how, we've got these Romanian teams doing so well. Does that mean they're going to pick other Romanian teams? Keep that, as a lot of these Romanian teams have worked together before this competition, it could mean that they want to go with other Romanian teams, with teams that are displaying so well, especially like Silver Circuits here, scoring as quickly as they can. Java the Hutt, stacking up those cones. They are putting in a very strong foot forward and making a very strong case for they themselves to be picked by these teams for the final matches. With only 38 seconds left in the match, we have a lot of scoring on these top junctions, and these tussling around these junctions when they're this high up is dangerous because these things can get, whoa! That is a fallen junction from Java the Hutt, unfortunately. And that's exactly what I was saying, folks. You have to be careful when it comes to these junctions when they're so filled up. They are incredibly heavy and can get knocked over just like that. But no matter, with only 10 seconds left in the match, you got to get those caps on. You got to make the best of the situation. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, game. Blue Alliance in the lead coming off of that, but again, we did see a knocked over junction